Today, we will take a look at the Burn Bud all-in-one smoking accessory. Taking a look around the box, we can see that it can fill a glass bowl, a cone, a vaporizer, a pipe, chillum, or even an apple. It boasts a joint packer and dispenser, a lock, herb storage, stainless steel etched herb grinder, a bottle opener, a wick holder, and a lighter holster for a mini Bic. And on the inside flap here, they show you a diagram of basically all the functions of the Burn Bud itself. Now, opening up the box, we can see we have the Burn Bud itself and a packet of instructions just in case you didn't get it from the box. Moving on to the Burn Bud itself, the first thing you'll notice is the dispenser button, which is a little mushy, but it gets the job done. The lock for the dispenser button is very nice, clicks into place right away. And the slide for the grinder was a little bit tough to get out, but it seems to be a nice grinder. Remember, this is not a comprehensive review, this is just an unboxing. And now you can see you have the spot for your mini Bic lighter, which I ran out and bought. We also have a little notch here for a hemp wick, if you're into that, to be able to use that. We also have a bottle opener, which seems very sturdy, very nice. Now I'll go ahead and insert that mini Bic I was talking about earlier, and upon first insertion, it seemed a little loose. It'd slide in and out if you pulled on it. However, in your pocket or something like that, I don't think it would really fall out. Maybe if you're the very adventurous type. First impressions are that it feels really nice in the hand due to the round plastic edges with this ABS plastic. It's not the most durable stuff out there, but definitely pocketable, and just don't go dropping it off any buildings and you should be good to go. Definitely something to take into consideration here is the price point. Right now it's at about $45, but if you go onto the Burn Bud website, you have a good chance of getting a 10% off coupon somewhere, and that really makes it worth it at $35 with free shipping. Thank you all so much for watching. I've got a comprehensive review of this product coming out in a week or two, so please keep your eyes on the channel. If you like what you saw, give it a like, give it a comment down below. Let us know what you think, and thank you so much. We'll see you in another video.